What is going on today is the 2WHEELS1LOVE event, and it's the last one for the riding season, so super keen. Just gearing up now, gonna jump on the bike and head to a petrol station to meet up with one of my old mates who's a Harley rider, and then we're going from there to pick up another mate who rides another sports bike, and then we're going to be at the event, hopefully bump into my old man, have a look at his new bike, and see some cool bikes. Let's do it.
What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we
How's it going, man? Good.
What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing
So loud, and in the tunnel everything's just like reverberating. Maddie's here. What's going on, man? Say hi to YouTube.
I've been treading water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to
You get a stick on your stuff, you stick onto your headlight.
the break of dawn.
Man, that's massive. What is it, V-twin? 1000.
I've been seeing father in dark skies, bringing me for fire, not for time. Follow my heart.
It's a lot, hey. It does feel like the same family of my bike. Like the blue on the tank that I don't like. It's got that, it's got the big yellow spring, it's got the gold suspension, the blue rims. Like it is, it is, you know. What do you think? There's a lot of bikes, eh?
When if it's that much, it's only been filled once, yeah, and you've still got 2/3, no, a third of the tank.
Guys, the motorcycle event took a bit of a weird turn. We are at Guildford Medieval Festival. We are at Guildford Medieval Festival. As you can hear, I'm here with Maddie.
If you'd told me this morning that I'd be listening to someone playing a harp and singing, I wouldn't have believed you.
Yeah.
But here we are.
Because I was like, we left Rogues and did a tunnel run, and then I was like, oh, let's just shoot out to Midland kind of Swan area. And then Bryce was saying that the Medieval Festival was on, and we're like, oh yeah, we'll just drop in, and here we are. There's a lot of crystals. We've seen a shop that has swords, Pokemon cards, and phone chargers at the same place.
O'clock, and at 10 o'clock this officially opens. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hip hip! Oh, there's a dragon! And there's a man drinking a choc milk.
Yeah, it's the SCA. Well, we're going to call it. We've had enough motorbikes and swords for one day.
Yeah, a bit too much magic.
I can't believe the turnout at that. And when I woke up this morning, it's like you said, like I was, thinking of motorbikes and going fast and engines and exhaust. And I feel a bit whiplashed from there.
Speaking of engines.
Thanks for coming along with us on this little adventure, and I'll see you in the next video.